Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to edit background in CapCut apps. So actually it's super simple. So for example I already have one project with one picture here, and then to edit the background you are just going to remove the background before, and then just click the clip and select cut out. So for this kind of the clip, you are just going to click the remove background. So the background has been removed, and then just click check mark, and you can add the new background with the canvas. Just select canvas. You can select a background, or you can select color. You can select blur. For example, select a background, and you can select a picture here. Just click this picture to select the picture that you want to make as a background. So just click check mark, or you can change for the background available here. That's it. So super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.